It's good, guys. We're back with another showcase. So we're showcasing all the new what's it called? We're gonna be showcasing all the new Chainsaw Man Anime Crusaders update. So I was able to get mostly all the units. There's 5 of them. Well, I didn't get Rose, but that's because he's the banner. She's the banner secret, which is 150k. And, I didn't have enough to hit pities. I didn't get off luck, so probably gonna have to do a showcase on her like separate, because she's probably like the hardest to get in this update. So I got unlucky. I'll get them soon, hopefully. If I get it too late, then I don't think there's gonna be a point. But overall, I got everyone else: Maki, Power, Denji, Aki, and Seraph, which is here's his cosmetic. He's the one limited. Okay, let's get to it. So first we're gonna do Benji. I have Shiny Benji, Crusader on me. I'm gonna do him first. So his first ability, I'm trying to remember. Right, so this is his pretty good. 39k damage. Get to the last. Chain slash. Alright, so he bleeds for 4 seconds, dealing 35% of the unit's damage. Okay, wait, this is actually very cool. Every 5th attack he does 40% damage. Now, but this is the best passive, I feel like very unique. Every female unit within his range. So like, if I were to put power, look, so put power. See, it goes up like 10k. Pretty cool. So let's just get his full AoE, which is insanely good. Hybrid as well when he gets his full AoE. 9 seconds is the bad part. So let's move on to the new. So let's go to Power. So Power has a she has a bar. Get to the what's the ability look like? It's kind of mid. So she bleeds for 5 seconds to 35%. So she's like a better bleed, I guess. If you thought her meter fills up by 1 every time she bleeds somebody. Once the meter reaches 500, she awakens her true form, Blood Arsenal. Oh, so she does insane damage and stuff when she gets that. That is very good. Okay, so she turns hybrid. Oh, she's a whoa. What the heck? Damn, guys. Power is actually very good. This is probably why she was like top of like. She does pretty good damage, honestly. She's very cheap too. Dang, she'd be a really good Crusader. She'd honestly be better than Denji, like more damage at least. To be honest, yeah, she's not bad at all. She does incredible damage. Let's do Aki now. I'm gonna sell them just to like see the thing. Okay, so Aki. So if Seraph, which is him, is in his range, they both gain 10% damage and 10% range. Dang. You guys can read this, I don't really want to. Let me just. Okay. So here's his next upgrade. Actually, let me. That's not small. So, Harvest. Damn, so he does pretty heavy damage as well. don't think it's as good as Power though, because Power has a way better passive like bleed and stuff. But this is still really good. Oh yeah, he loses. So this is his better. It's just his passive that's getting that, I guess. But still good though, because it happens frequently. Alright, new unit. Last units. Wait, actually no. He's a 4 placement. Hybrid off placement. Pretty good. Judgment. Pretty sure he has like yellow. Yup, yellow beams. Pretty cool. And his last one, Holy Spear. He's mid. I think this guy's like not the best for Crusader. Mid damage and he's a 4 placement. Here's passive. It's a lot of like every 60 second type passive. His damage is alright. He's probably a really good starter because he's hybrid, so if you guys like do stories, he's got everything with them. Alright, last unit. Maki. There's his stats. 4k off placement. Let's get to upgrading. 12k. Bang. So, mine AoE. I don't know this. Alright. Force. Damn, okay. Okay, absolute control, 69k. Okay, that's pretty good damage too. Kinda like Power. So her and Power are like really good for like damage. To be honest, she could be better than Power though. Her passive makes her do more, but Power does have an incredible true form. She's like a RNG unit, I guess. She has a cool little chain type of system around her upgrade UI. Oh yeah, the passives. I think she bleeds. She doesn't bleed though, but still. These units do pretty high damage. Yeah, so those are guys showcase these as units. This new chainsaw man update. Except for Rose. I think Rose isn't too good though, this is what I've heard from people, but can't really prove it at all. But we'll get her soon hopefully. That's really it though for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be showcasing whatever new game updates or that I think I should. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one.